Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iOS 26 stuck on update requested. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this issue. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Whenever Apple introduces a new version of iOS, people across the globe rush to download it and be among the first users. Due to this, it is normal for iOS 26 to stay stuck on the update requested screen for a while as the Apple servers get overloaded. However, if the screen stays stagnant for a very long time, I'll tell you some fixes to fix this. So the first step is force quit the settings app. The first solution is to force quit the settings app. To do this on an iPhone with a Face ID, swipe up and hold from the bottom center of the screen to bring up the app switcher. Locate the settings app and swipe it up. On an iPhone with a home screen button, quickly double press the home button to bring the app switcher and locate the settings app and swipe it up. After a few seconds, open the app again and see if the problem is resolved. And the next step is check your Wi-Fi connection and restart the router. Make sure you have a fast, reliable Wi-Fi. Restart the Wi-Fi router, which will improve the connectivity, making it easier to download the iOS 26. Additionally, ensure you have turned off any VPN on your iPhone if it is enabled. For this, go to Settings, choose VPN and then turn off its toggle button if it is enabled. Or try connecting your iPhone to a different Wi-Fi network altogether. This will most likely start the new iOS download. And you are done. The next step is restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off. And after some time, press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is delete the iOS file if visible. For this, open the iPhone settings. Next, choose General option and choose iPhone storage. Next, scroll down. If you see any file named iOS 26, tap it. And then choose Delete Update. And then tap on Delete Update to confirm. Next, go back to your settings and then choose Software Update. And then tap on Update Now and again try to update iOS 26 beta on your iPhone. And you are done. And the next step is free space on your iPhone. For this, go to Settings. Next, choose General option and choose iPhone storage. And then delete these things from here. And you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to Settings. Next, choose General option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, choose Reset and choose Reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings. In the rare case that resetting the network is not enough, so you should reset all settings by choosing Reset and choose Reset all settings and enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iOS 26 beta stuck on update requested. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.